फ़लस्तीन के साथ यकजहती हमास और इसराइल में फौरी जंगबंदी के लिए टोक्यो में एहतजाजी रैली निकाली गई, जिसमें पाकिस्तानियों के अलावा मुख्तलिफ ममालिक के लोगों खासकर जापानियों की बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की। मुजाहिरीन ने फ़लस्तीन की आज़ादी और गज़ा में नस्ल कुशी बंद करने के मुतालबात किए और जापानी वज़ीर-ए-आज़म कशीदा से मुतालबा किया कि वो जंगबंदी में किरदार अदा करें। मुजाहिरीन का क्या कहना था, आए उनकी ज़ुबानी पूछते हैं।
आज जापान में जो है पूरी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी और जो जापानीज़ हैं उनके साथ मिलके फ़लस्तीन की हिमायत में एक जुलूस का एहतमाम किया। आज हम इसराइल एम्बेसी के सामने मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं। जो कुछ फ़लस्तीन के अंदर लोगों को कत्ल आम किया जा रहा है, उसके ख़िलाफ़ जापान के अंदर भरपूर एक मुजाहरा जो अरेंज किया गया था। और मैं जो ख़ासकर जो कहना चाहता हूँ, वो जो दुनिया ने जो डबल स्टैंडर्ड अपना बनाया हुआ है उसमें जापान भी शामिल है, जो अमेरिका के पीछे यस और नो कर रहा है। बिल्कुल क्लियर वो फ़लस्तीन को उस तरीके से डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा। तो इसलिए हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जापान गवर्नमेंट को फोर्स किया जाए कि फ़लस्तीन की हिमायत में क्लियर जो है वो अपना मौक़िफ़ इख्तियार करें।
I came here from Yokohama today with my mother, and I was surprised so many policies, and there are only 5 people in front of the embassy, so I was so surprised.
So how about today demo?
Well, there are so many people coming, even in Japan. It's very rare case, so I'm also surprised, and I feel very strong opposition to the war in Gaza, what's happening in Gaza now.
What's your message for the world?
Well, I really like the call, Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry, and we are still now, we will be with you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
जी, ये जो जुल्म तशद्दुद और बर्बरियत इसराइल ने फ़लस्तीनियों पे रवा रखी हुई है, इसको फौरी तौर पे बंद किया जाए। ये जो बेगुनाह और नहत्ते फ़लस्तीनियों पे जुल्म किया जा रहा है, बच्चों को, औरतों को और बूढ़ों के ऊपर बमबारी करके मारा जा रहा है, ये बेगुनाहों की अमवात को फौरी रोका जाए। और इसमें अमेरिका भी शामिल है और इसमें दीगर यूरोपीय कंट्री शामिल हैं। इंसानियत के नाते पे ये इंसानियत का कत्ल है, ये मुसलमानों की नस्ल कशी हो रही है, इसके खिलाफ हम पुरजोर मजम्मत करते हैं।
I'm Japanese and I hate Israel's occupation and so bombing all people, and so it's a genocide. It's a real genocide, and stopping. I hope stopping now. Yes, and so I'm Asian helping Syrian staffing.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are coming here for Palestine, for Gaza, because Israel and America and all Arab countries and all countries, they kill us, especially Muslim people, especially Gaza people. They want Palestine, they want Syria, they want Lebanon, they want all like Middle East. They want to kill Muslim people. What's the reason? We don't know. Because we are Muslim. We are saying La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Okay, thank you.
So today thousands of us walked in protest in support of Palestine. Since the formation of the State of Israel, Palestinians have been forcibly expelled from land that they've lived in for centuries. The Israeli people are building illegal settlements on their land, and now you can see that it's not even a fair battle. Israel is being supported by the European Union, the US, in billions and billions of dollars, and the Palestinians have nothing to defend themselves. And yes, we do condemn the attack by the Hamas on the October 7th, but the attack did not happen in a vacuum. It is the result of decades and decades of oppression faced at the hands of the Israeli government and the Israeli army, and we are protesting in opposition of that. The people of Palestine deserve to live in Palestine, and they should not be oppressed at the hands of the Israeli government, and we are just in support of Palestine.
Yeah, I can tell you about today. It was an amazing demonstration, one of the biggest that we've had in Tokyo since this started. everyone that we know is out. They are trying to help as much as they can. They're pleading for the help for Gaza, for the starving children, for the kids that are being orphaned, for the women that are being killed. Over 7,000 people have been killed, murdered so far in cold blood. Several people have been dishomed. They run from one place so they can run to another. There's no safe place. There's no food. There's no water. There's no electricity. There's no fuel. There's no internet connection. There's no phone calls. Nothing. There's nothing. Everything that they're doing, they're cowards. They're cowards. That's all they know how to do is they run away. The United Nations is not helping. The US is not helping. Australia, Canada, UK, France, Germany, shame on you. Shame on you and everything that you're doing to us. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you.
We came here to show our support to our brothers, the Palestinians, who have been killed every day by Israeli forces. I would like to condemn the Israeli action. Would like to ask the international community to act immediately for ceasefire, to get the aid to Palestinian people because they are suffering. They are suffering. This must be a stop. We ask the international community to ask immediately for ceasefire.
अब तक इस जंग में 8,000 से ज्यादा अफराद हलाक हो चुके हैं, जिसमें बड़ी तादाद बच्चों की है। दुनिया भर में जंगबंदी के मुतालबात बढ़ रहे हैं, जिसके लिए दुनिया भर में लाखों अफराद फलस्तीनियों की हमायत में मुजाहरे जारी रखे हुए हैं। राशिद समद खान, आज न्यूज़, टोक्यो।